Hey guys, welcome back to our channel KnowledgeKeen, and actually welcome back to our next session or next part of this video, okay, where we were creating an example, an interesting example that which you are basically seeing on the screen. So let's continue doing this. So where did we stop the last time? Basically we were talking about how we are going to uplift the state into our app component, and also we saw the reason why we were uplifting this state, as both of my child are not talking, right? So both of the sibling components are not talking. The only way to make them talk is through a parent. So let's go ahead and create a list into our app component. Const, let's say that my heroes list, okay, or in short, instead of making more complex names, all heroes, and I'll probably like set all heroes equal to use state, and it is going to be a list. So I just passed an empty list, and who is going to have these all heroes? That is going to be my friend. So I'm simply keeping the same name just to make less complications. So my heroes list will have all the heroes, and here what we will do, we'll just fetch all the heroes here, okay. And how we are going to do that? So for now I'm going to remove my complete list, and I'm going to show let's say I'll just make it conditional. So if I am having all heroes, okay, and if its length is greater than 0, basically you can do this, or even you can just do this, it will work absolutely fine. So if we have this, okay, if we have the heroes, then do something else, do something, correct? So this is how you write the conditions. So this is the ternary operator. What I will do, if there is no heroes, I'll just simply mention it in my h6 that no heroes found. Simple, h6, close the tag, and here don't worry about the error. If I have heroes, then basically I will be working with my list. So I'll just make it better for you to understand. Don't worry, it is going to again just prettify it. Do you see? So if I have my heroes, and if there is a length, okay, so basically I have my heroes in the list, then go ahead and prepare the list. If you don't have it, just say there are no heroes found. So if I say just refresh, and you can see no heroes found, it is because now my list is absolutely empty. Go on the top, my list is empty. And if I have my heroes, so what I need to do, I need to simply all heroes dot map, okay, I'll just say hero comma index. We have seen how we usually work with map. So when do we use round brackets? When we are not returning something. If we use curly braces, you have to return something. So here I am directly saying li and my hero, okay. So let's say that I'm simply adding without any array of object. It's a simple array. So hero, but it is going to throw an error. What is the error? Now let's see who is who have seen my previous videos, and if they can like deduce an error. So the error would be, for now there is no error. Why? Because my list is empty. But if the list is there, then the error would be there are no keys. Each key should be unique. So we need to have a key, and for now, a bad practice, I am adding the index. If you are not seen why we should avoid adding index, click on the link above and see the reason why we are usually not adding index. So yes, but for now we are going to make this a simple video to understand, and hence I'm going to add the key as index, then we have a hero, and I think this is a functional component. But now I also need to set this hero, right? I need to push the hero into this list. Where I am going to get the name of the hero? I'm going to get the name of the hero into my add heroes. So the same thing I'm going to do here. I'm just going to pass the method or the setter as a callback. So it is a call and it is getting back. So it is a callback. So here what I'm going to do, whenever I submit, so whenever I click the button on click, I'm just saying add hero. Okay, I'm adding a simple function into this component, const add hero equal to, I don't want anything returned to be from this method, so I'm just going to use the property set all heroes, and I'm going to say set all heroes to the hero name. So what it is doing here, whenever I click the button on the add hero component, it is uplifting the value. So it is pushing this hero name from this component to the app component. So see, set all heroes, go back to my app.js, it comes here, it sees, okay, this is another method, and it just uses it as a getter and it inserts the value, plain and simple. So whenever we are in the add hero component, we click the button, it just throws the name into my app component. So now my list is updated. So the list, this list is updated. Oh, React is smart. Yes, we have the whole concept of virtual DOM which we have seen. So now what React says, oh, the list is updated, my friend, I need to pass this list automatically to my heroes list component, the sibling component. Okay, and whenever it goes here, we have another code that we have written. We are checking whether now heroes have something. Yes, it has a new hero name. What I did here was replaced this with Iron Man. Okay, so now I'm not entering into a list, I simply replaced it. That was my biggest mistake. So how to correct this mistake? Simply, I'll keep the array as it is, spread operator, all the heroes. Okay, now I don't have all the heroes, so my friend, can you please send me the list of all the heroes as well? So now my add heroes is having both the things, all heroes as well as set heroes. Thank you. So now I have all heroes, okay, which I am again all heroes. So I'm having all the heroes as well as set heroes. So both the things I'm having. I'm just expanding basically whatever values are previously in the array, just keep them as it is and add the hero name additionally. So I think this should work. Iron Man, yippee, it works, but this text box is not clean. To make it write good code, what do? I'll just remove this, set hero name, which is in this component. This component we have the text box, we just have to clean it. So we just add it empty. Don't add it a null, because then basically it behaves as an uncontrolled component. So it should always be empty for a text box. It's a good thing. So see, now I just refreshed it. Again, let's go back to Iron Man, add, the text box is clean, the data is passed to the other portion of the list. Now I say Hulk and I say Batman. Yes, my list is working. So did you see what did we do? We kept the existing list as it is here. It's an array. So we kept the existing list as it is. So ... what it will say, keep Iron Man Hulk as it is, and then just give me all the new, add the new hero name. So it is similar to pushing something into that list. Okay, so there are two ways to do this. I'll just give you the other way, the old school way. So how we usually used to do that, not const, let tmp heroes equal to all heroes. Okay, this is like second way of doing it. This is like first way of doing it. Okay, but second way is always better. All heroes. So now I have like the array of heroes. So tmp heroes dot push. I can simply say hero name, and last but not the least, set all heroes to the temp heroes. This is another way, but now just for one single thing I am writing 3 lines. So one line is always better, the shortest way. So this is a good way, and this is like not a bad way. In short, you can do this, but this is an old school way. Okay, but we are not going to old school. We are learning new things, new skills. ES6, this is the way of ES6. This is the power of ES6, which is interesting. So I hope this was pretty understandable. This was pretty easy, and if you get this video, I would say just do it till here and enhance this video. I hope, and I'm pretty sure that you will be able to enhance this whole concept. Add edit button, add delete button, so you can make it more powerful. Add search functionality, and I know you can do it. And if you can't do it, your friend Wasim is always here. Just mention into that comment. We can probably do some another session of this video, like a part 3 or something, where I'll probably help you out editing, deleting, adding, updating, basically just having all the crude operations into this list. Okay, so I think we are good till here, and if you like this video, please like this, keep liking, come on, share it with your friends. Just help me out to grow. Okay, I'm trying my best to give you some good content. Please subscribe, share it with your friends, give a thumbs up, add your questions into the comments. I love replying to your comments, and I always come back with your replies. And thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching till here, and have a good day. Bye.